classroom, BIA, Baguio Chibis Academy, Laurel Street, Baguio City, Philippines. So we're gonna start from the chair, table, and our whole classroom. And this is Sean's chair. Show Sean. Sean already has his chair. Michael's chair. Dan's chair. Vigi's chair. Yves's chair.
Why this?
Let's go here now. So I removed this manila paper so that I can thank you. And this is our poster.
Yeah, we're going to teach you something. This is the penis. This is the itlog.
And this is Joaquin's chair, Katie's chair, CJ's show CJ. And this is the lonely Mark. Mark.
Okay lang.
Mark, Julian, Jonas, Jeric, Jade, Miguel, Gino, Bianca, and Toad. My chair, Jerome's chair, YouTube. Kiesel's chair, Bianca. And we will go to the table of our teacher.
This is Jasper Andre 11 dictionary.
So this is the lost and found cup, which is Mickey Mouse. And we're gonna show you our subject. This is Hello, which is covered by our poster.
Now is Ellie. We don't know.
We don't know. We don't know. And this, ano pa to?
This is the vagina part.
Yeah. And Filipino, I think this is MAPE. Filipino, Math, Science, and English. We're gonna show you our exit area,
Which has the view of the tree.
which has the view of the tree.
And some people there.
Some people there cut the trees, so we don't have any tree now, which is gonna grow 7 years again. And the gangster cut it out, or the
Another
logger. And this is another school. Come here. Pan, yellow, and his girlfriend BJ. Michael,
Which the girl?
girlfriend of Julian.
Aliyah, girlfriend of
Julian. Sean and Kiesel. Yves and Jason.
May kabet yung isa.
Ano to? Jade and Jonas, best friends. Joaquin, Epan, me, best friend.
Ang daya! Bakit sa amin?
Best friend. Oh, boyfriend. Sorry. Hello, here. Boyfriend means boy that is their
Boy
friend.
best friend.
Okay?
Yeah.
Don't have Malaysia. Malaysia, okay? Wait. Come here. My shoelace again is untied. Chino the snake.
This is Chino the snake one. And this is the costume niya.
Anak ni Zumba. Jonas, Jeric, Ross, Katie, and Bianca. Come here.
Show the camera.
This is our boys.
Oh my God!
Boys, in the classroom, don't sing Spanish. Jerome, CJ, Michael,
Yeah.
Sean. So we're gonna show you our bookshelf, which the plants are dying now. So this is chalk box, portfolio. Portfolio. Books. Blackboard.
Which has Kipu.
Kipu!
And
Kipu!
yeah.
And this is a trash can.
Okay, we're gonna trash can. We're gonna show you the. We're gonna show you.
The girls' bathrooms. Just trash.
And they are fighting now. Why are fighting?
Bullying, Sadie. No, he's not. You're the one who's bullying. Okay.
Excuse. Oh my gosh. This is our language book. English book. Filipino, because we are in the Philippines now. Mathematics, religion, social studies, computer, and science. So we're gonna
Look at
grooming kits. Grooming kits. Hala!
DJ sitting.
Stop it, please. Ano yung sak ng bato? CJ!
Excuse me, we're going to fix this problem.
Excuse me, we're gonna fix our problem first.
Reunion. Girls reunion.
Girls Unite.
We problem
Wait.
here in our classroom. In our classroom, Lord, please help us. Stop.
This is the clean up crew, which has no one. That's why we're the mud.
Guys, let's go to the beach.
That's for fun, and I will show you something. This is the book.
This is the bathroom. Hoy, we will go to the teacher, sabi ni Cassie.
Tayo lang.
Oy, Bianca! Hello guys, we're just going back and we're just gonna fix our problem. Bye!
Say bye.
Bye. Let's see, malapit na. Mark, the lonely one. Katie, never mind. Jerome,
The DOS one.
yeah. Teacher,
Mark,
You're crying.
Michael the Michael one. And Sean the Sean one.